Today is your lucky day. In this video, I will be showing you how to save money on your next kitchen remodel by upgrading the cabinets yourself. By saving money and purchasing stock cabinets that have less bells and whistles, you can now upgrade the cabinets yourself. You can add the functionality to them that would normally be seen in semi and custom cabinets. Welcome back to Woodworker Express. So, stock cabinets are the most simple and least expensive cabinets available for purchase. And they usually come with the most standard and inexpensive drawer slides and hinges. I actually have a link to our video that explains everything that you need to know about stock cabinets in the description if you would like to know more about them. Let's start with the hinges. One of the easiest upgrades and a very great place to start, in my opinion, is the cabinet door hinge. Most of the stock cabinetry that is available comes with self-closed door hinges. These are the hinges that just snap shut, nothing fancy. Now, these hinges can be easily upgraded to a soft close in a couple of different ways. You can either change out the entire hinge to a soft close hinge, or you can add a soft close adapter and keep your original hinges. Now, depending on the quality of your existing hinges, that will help you determine which way to go. I do have links in the description that will bring you directly to the product on our website. Trash pullout. You can purchase trash pullouts that come in a variety of different sizes and add them to your stock base cabinets. Typically, you will have a door that you can remove from your cabinet, take off the hinges, and then attach that same door to the front of the trash pullout, instantly transforming the cabinet with very little effort and very little cost. Some of the pullouts that we do carry have a soft close feature, a self-close option, and even an assisted opening and closing function. But wait, we even have one that automatically opens and closes just by touching it. Pretty neat. So, depending on your budget, we should have just the right trash pullout that you are looking for. Base cabinet organizer. Similar to the way trash pullouts install and are designed, we also carry a wide variety of base cabinet organizers. We have everything from roll-out shelves, pull-out drawers, multiple tier pullouts, and even wood pilaster systems that are designed to turn your empty base cabinet into a wonderful bank of drawers with minimal effort. And finally, blind corner organizers. Blind corners are the corner base cabinets that you may have in your kitchen. You'll know because they're extremely hard to reach and organize. Not to worry, Woodworker Express has some of the neatest and nicest organization items available. Take a look at this Voth Sagel blind corner 4-basket organizer. This thing is absolutely stunning. As you can see, it makes excellent work of accessing that space in your kitchen. Another great blind corner product is this 2-tier organizer by Revishelf. This product is designed to give you full access to your blind corner. I do have links in the description for these products as well. And we do have many other kitchen and bath organizational products on our website. So while you are there, do yourself a favor and check them out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. And don't forget to visit woodworkerexpress.com for all of your woodworking needs. See you next video.